So this is a little add-on to the video for those of you with the 84 CE. Remember in that past video, it had said that using your calculator, you always want to find the area to the left in there. Well, you don't have to do that. In your calculator, right, so again, remember for this problem, we're looking for that 20% up here. But on yours, to find that 20%, right, we can go to second bars. There's our normal CDF. We're looking right here at inverse norm. If I go down to 3 and press enter, that percent we were talking about was 20%. For right now, let's leave the mean and the standard deviation at 1. And choose right, because our area that was shaded as right, this is what's different or more advanced on your calculator. Now if we go all the way down to paste and press enter, we get a 0.84. So this is if it's standardized, which means that the 0.84 is our z-score. So from here, you could go back to plugging in 0.84 for your z-score and finding a mean and a standard deviation, solving it to get our x value. Or another way to do it, go back to your second distribution, go down to inverse norm, but this time actually put in the problem's parameters. So we're still looking for that area of 20% above. But now the mean for this problem, do you remember what the mean was for our problem? It was 500, and we had a standard deviation of 100. We're still looking for that top right percent. And now if I press enter twice, it will give me 584.16, which is the score you would need to be in the top 20%. Right? So this, with the 500 and the 1, makes it specific for your problem. If you substitute in 0 and 1, it will just standardize it for you and give you the raw z-score. Again, this may be valuable, and we'll do a question in class about how you have to use the mu and the sigma of 0 and 1. But otherwise, you can just plug in the problem's actual values.